Hi, welcome to Moments with Marsha, where we talk about handbags, lifestyle, and fashion. And today we are going over some of the bags that were released at Coach's Fall 2025 fashion show in New York. So before we get into this video, click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow our channel. So thank you for that. Okay. Last week, the world was about Empire for me. The Empire bags were absolutely gorgeous. I was here for it then, and I'm definitely here for it now. They had two bags that are limited edition that will be available on February 18th. One is the Empire Carryall 21. It comes in 4 colors, as well as the Empire 34 that come in the same 4 colors. And those colors are biscuit, chestnut, natural, and turmeric. The Empire 21 is $450. The Empire 34 is $650. And East-West bag. That bag to me is striking. And when I looked at that, and they had charms on it. I can see some of the charms that I have in my collection on these bags. I'm so excited about this 34 East-West bag. Yeah. So with these Runway bags being limited edition, please understand that once they're gone, they're gone. So you have to get yours now. You can set up notifications on the Coach site. So when these bags are ready for sale, you'll get that notification and you can go on and buy them. Also on February 18th, there's going to be a 26 Empire Carryall as well as a Carryall 35 that will be released for sale. So you could go on and do your notifications for those bags as well. And with the addition of the 26 and the 35, that's going 5 sizes. So there will be the 26, the 34, the 35, the 40, and the 48. Yes, I said the 48. So we're going to talk about that too, because that's hot. That's going to be released in March. Okay. The 26th will be in black only. It's about $450. The 34 is an East-West bag. And like I said, with the Runway East-West, it's a limited edition. This one is not. This one is available now. So with the 34, it comes in maple, black, and honey brown. You have the Empire 35 that comes in black only. That one is $650.48. You also have the Empire 4, and we know that one and we love it because it was that girl last summer. Everybody was kicking down doors, pre-ordering, crying, praying to get that bag, and it came in dark navy, merlot, maple, and honey brown. And I saw it in all of those colors and just loved it. But that bag was a little bit too big for me. So my ask, Coach, if you're listening, is to release the 35, the 34, and the 26 in that navy. Can you do that? As well as releasing the 35 and the 26 in the navy and in the honey brown, because those colors, that leather just looks so gorgeous and beautiful. We love black bags. We really do, but we want to have that range in those sizes as well. Also, 48 is going to be released in March, and it's going to come in black, merlot, and maple. So yeah, they are really adding to that Empire configuration of bags. And like I said, I am here for it. I'm excited that these bags are being released in February, and I plan to go into Coach sometime this week. I'm going to do a shop with me and share that footage with you guys. They are really giving us good products at great prices, and these bags transition very well from day to night, for traveling, for just around the town because of the design and of the qualities. Thank you for listening to my recap and my favorites from the fall 2025 collection. Please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow our channel. It doesn't cost you anything to help the channel out. The goal for the channel is to get 5,000 subscribers before the end of June. So please help sharing this channel with some of your friends and family. So Once again, thank you for your time and have a fantastic day. And until the next time, peace.